Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Day one on the pickup hold. I am still so stoked that we have this car next to the Clubman, obviously, but hopping straight into this. Gonna bring out the angle grinder, look at some spots, show you guys where the problem areas are, and explain what I'm doing. First things first, again, so stoked, but this is the bed. And this is the makeshift tailgate. And the guy literally welded it closed. So that's number one. Second thing is this bed. Is a proper make a plan, like nothing, that's completely loose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this today. Is I'm going to chop it over there. And then we can inspect underneath the bottom. And then coming closer inside the cab, there's rot in the back right corner there and a little bit in the back left corner here, hardly any. But then I'm going to take the angle grinder with the grinding disc or flap disc and basically have at it from underneath here. So you can see where I've already kind of taken away most of the stuff, but I'm just going to come and clean up with an angle grinder around here to see what's good and what's really bad. And then hop into the front here where this angle iron's holding the backboard, or the backboard, not even the backboard, I don't know what you want to call this, back of the cab. First things first, let's mark this thing out, give it a chop, and see how the underneath of where the van was, or the estate, is looking. So let's get out the angle grinder, hit some music, take the square, make a straight line, and let's get chopping. Under closer inspection, guys, it's literally just getting better. Honestly, there's one hole there on the spare wheel wall, but I mean that usually happens with these estates. But the cross member is in amazing condition. The looks like these side panels that go around the wheel arches I could maybe even take off, so that when I do put a plate on, we can make it nice and flush on top of that. But chopped it all up over here, and underneath here it's just as solid, so it's quite interesting. So I guess there's a reason it's always like this, wasn't there? Oh my gosh, look at this. This is ridiculous. This is honestly ridiculous. Like, this is... I was not expecting this. Not at all. Yeah, wow. Okay, so we have this over here, we have that. Let me carry on the sills, and then let's just wait and see after I'm done, and let's take it from. So, it seems to be apparent that this right hand sill is not savable anymore, so we're going to definitely need one. The floor, on the other hand, definitely is not too bad. I can patch that, but the sill, we need a new sill. I think that's where I should start on my ordering, is the right hand sill. But anyway, let's carry on and see what else we can uncover. All that grinding definitely deserved some coffee. Wow, yeah, that's amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of lost at where I was filming last, but what we've gotten to is this. The sill, right hand sill, is properly gone. Actually, in places, it's still quite solid. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna carry on flapping the whole right hand side over here, then see if it's worth patching or not ordering a brand new sill. So I'm gonna quickly hit the rest of the top there, then hit the bottom over here, then see if we can cut out and maybe just not patch it. Because if I could patch it, I would save me a lot of money and time from importing, obviously, from the UK. So let's wait and see. Okay, wow, guys, my GoPro died, so I'm using my phone now. I should really start recording more with my phone. Like, these iPhones recording is insane. But anyway, I have chopped away a lot of junk and a lot of, well, not even junk, rust. This side definitely isn't as bad as that side over there, but I've chopped away a lot of rust and a lot of basically just old and rotten metal. So this right hand corner over here was the worst side, definitely. But what happened is I think these parcel boxes over here, where the cross member was put, they just opened. So things have obviously fallen down there and just been left there for years and years and years. So yeah, I'm gonna actually come in here, clean up around there, and take it away all the way so we can get to these parcel boxes and possibly even close them. That will be the best bet, because chop it here, close it there, or maybe just make a little bit, yeah, literally chop it there, close it, and then close it up and seal it so that we don't have the problem again. I don't know if I can maybe carry on, because I definitely want to carry on today, but I want to record and show you guys what's going on. I mean, look at the amount of rust I've chopped off of this car. There is a lot of solid pieces on it, but a lot of rotten pieces. The majority of the backboard is really solid, so I'm quite stoked on that. But I think what I'm going to do now is clean up a bit and then lift it up and maybe start over there. Start taking the, oh, focus, there we go. Start taking out these little pop rivets and that, and yeah. So I'm definitely going to leave this in, but like I said, maybe just take the rest of this board out so that I can see what's hiding. I'm not going to leave anything unturned on this build. We're going to do it properly this time. So let's quickly sweep up all of this and see how much rust we've taken off the car already. Wow, it's been like a couple hours and this is what I've already gotten out of this car. Ah, it's insane. What we are going to do though is I'm going to try and record how I'm literally going to put a grinder on this thing and get this angle iron off, get the rivets out, pop it off, and then see if I can't slide the rest of this makeshift bed out. If I need to chop it a bit and to wiggle it a little bit, I'm going to see if I can get that done. But yeah, let's hit that thing with an angle grinder and see what happens. And just like that, we have whatever this rudimental, literally like, what, 3 mil, 5 mil, or where is it? 3 mil, 5 mil angle iron was holding in basically the top and the bottom of the bed, or this, of the back of the bucky thing, or the pickup truck, should I say. And yeah, let's see how loose. So now I should obviously figure out how this thing comes off. The actual plate itself, but I mean, it's very loose. So I'm going to see how I can get it on the sides here. And yeah, because I mean, look at how corroded it was over here. So I'm glad I did see that, so that I can take this off and put a brand new bed in and maybe create something even nicer for the back of the cabin. And just like that, guys, we have the whole floor of the pickup truck out, right over there. It was a bit of a mission, but not too bad. It was okay. I think like I don't know what else I was expecting, but it's out, and I'm glad I did so, because look at the corrosion on this piece over here. And now I can literally see everything and close up things that aren't meant to be open inside of a pickup. And yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you now what it looks like in the back, but here it is. Honestly, I'm so stoked. Like, it is super clean at the back of this this estate, what it was before. And I am so happy with the fact that I'm trying to teach myself to look there. It's very hard. The fact that like it obviously was once upon a time an estate, and now we are just moving up and changing things. I am very, very happy with it. I think I'm gonna give it a clean and leave that for today's video, guys. It's been a very long one, super productive one, honestly, and I'm gonna start taking things apart. I'm gonna try to catch everything on camera. Like this build, I want to do huge. I want to do properly, do fabrication, do all of that good stuff. I'm gonna start chopping away the rest of the rots and that, but I'll obviously keep you updated on everything as much as I can. So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. As always, like, subscribe, and don't forget to always send it. Cheers, guys. Catch you on the next one.